Hello students, this is my fourth video, chapter 1, number systems of standard 9. Now here our next topic is real numbers and their decimal expansions. In that you are having in your textbook is the example 5. First one, that is 10 by 3. Now in this 10 by 3 you can see that your answer is 3.33. So here you are getting some specific numbers which are repeating after the decimal number. So this I have taken another number here. Here you can see that is 1.122, 1212. That is 1 2 is repeating. Okay, so you have a specific pattern which is repeating. Either it might be one number repeating or two numbers repeating, three numbers repeating, might be more also, the same type of numbers repeating again and again. So that is known as your non-terminating, recurring or repeating decimal expansion. Second is your perfect answer 0.875. After that it is stopped, you get the remainder as 0. Okay, so another example for that is 7 by 2. If you divide that number, you will be getting 3.5 exact. After that nothing is there, so that is your terminating decimal expansion. And the third example is 1 by 7, in which you don't know what is a specific pattern in this. Nothing, you might get another number also after that, nothing, no specific, different numbers, random numbers is an answer, it will be there. So that becomes your non-terminating and non-recurring decimal expansion. Non-recurring means not repeating, not a specific pattern is there over here, so it is your non-recurring decimal expansion. Okay, now next topic you'll be seeing. Now next, that is making any number into P by Q format. Okay, now simple, if it is 3.5, how you make it in P by Q format? That is 35 upon 10. So this makes your P by Q format. Okay, now we'll be taking one example where you have to change 0.3 bar as P by Q format. Okay, so here it is 0.333 is repeating. Bar means that particular number is repeating. So we'll be taking it as x equal to 0.33. Okay, so how many numbers are repeating here? Only one number is repeating. So we'll be multiplying into 10 on both the sides. If two numbers are repeating, we'll be taking 100. Three numbers are repeating, we'll be taking 1000. Okay, so this is 10x equal to, here into 10 means shifting 1 point ahead, so it becomes 3.33. Now you have to take these two numbers aside, that is 3.33 and 0.33, and subtract it. What you get is 0, 0 and 3. Then you have to take these two numbers for the expansion of this number. So it will be 10x equal to 3 plus 0.33. This way you have to show these two numbers here. Okay, so eventually what you get after calculation, the same number. So we are just classifying this 3.33 into 3 plus 0.33. That is, if you don't know, you can do this calculation. Now 10x equal to 3 plus, what is 0.33? That is your x. So just write it x. Now bring this x on this side. So 10x plus, so minus x equal to 3. So 10x minus x is 9x equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 upon 9. After cancellation, P by Q format is 1 upon 3. Okay. Now next, that is, if you are having 0.12 bar, that means x is what? 0.1212. so here, instead of multiplying 10 before, now you will be multiplying into 100. So that is the only difference over here. Okay, I am just showing you the types. So if you have any doubt, you can comment and ask to solve any of the sum. I'll be showing you the video for that. Okay, now the next, another possibility is that x is 0.14 bar. So the bar is only on 4. So you have to just see that how many numbers are repeating, not the decimal numbers. So how many numbers are repeating? Only 1. So here it will be into 10, not 100. Okay. So here just see that it is only 1.444. So here it will be into 10, not into 100. Only see the numbers which are repeating. Here only 4 is repeating. Here we have done only 3 is repeating, so into 10. Here only 4, so into 10. And here I have just shown you that is both the numbers are repeating, so that is into 100. So just see all the sums. If you have any doubt further, just comment below. I'll be making that video for you. Thank you. Keep subscribing.